Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to share your Google Docs. So in pretty much any Google Doc you have open, whether it be a doc or a sheet or a form, up in the upper right you should see a share button, the color of which should correspond to the icon on the left. So if you click on share, you have a bunch of options for sharing. You can add people just by their username or their email address, or you can add groups if you know the name of the group. So if you know somebody that you're going to add, you can type in the name, give them editor rights, commenter rights, or viewer rights. You can even add an expiration date. So let's say I want access to expire February 26 at 11:59 p.m. You can decide whether or not you're going to notify people or not. Or if you want to make it generally available, you can restrict it to only the people you've given access to. Only the people in your organization would have access to it. Or you can pretty much make it public, anyone with the link. Now, in order for them to access this, they would either have to have the link or they would have to be on a website where the link is used as a URL or something like that. And even if you make it public, you can still give people viewer rights, commenter rights, or editor rights. You can have a Google Doc that is editable by the general public. So whichever one you choose, whatever link you need, you can then just click on copy link, and you can send that to somebody, paste it in a website or whatever. And that is how you can share your Google Docs.